What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. Open up your preferred browser and head to code.visualstudio.com/download. The link will be in the video description. From here, select to download the zip file for either Apple Silicon or Intel chips, depending on which Mac you're using. If you're using a newer Mac, then you're most likely using an Apple Silicon Mac. It will take a minute to download the file, and it will show up in your Downloads folder. Double-click the zip file and Visual Studio Code will be extracted to your Downloads folder. Now, simply drag and drop this application into your Applications folder. You can then proceed to launch Visual Studio Code from your Applications folder. You might be warned about opening apps downloaded from the internet. Click Open, and then you can set up Copilot, choose a theme, and install shell commands to use VS Code with Terminal. You can do this by clicking into the search field at the top, selecting Show and Run commands, and then typing shell command to install code command in path. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.